To adjust chat text contrast in the Messages app on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Samsung Messages app and then open the chat with the contact you want to customize. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap customize chat room. Scroll down the screen. Under text contrast section, you see a slider with a black to white gradient. Move the slider to the right to make the chat details like contact name, delivery info, and timestamp appear brighter. Or move it to the left for a darker and subtle appearance. As the example, since the selected chat uses a dark background, we will make the contrast brighter to increase its readability. Next, tap the packet twice. As you can see, the text contrast of the selected chat has been adjusted. Given to the function, this feature lets you adjust the contrast of the chat details like contact names and bubble chat details, making it easier to read the contact name and delivery info and timestamps, especially if you are using a custom image. For darker backgrounds, increasing the contrast can make those details stand out clearly. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.